pretty sure that I just bought the world's most sexiest pair of shoes, the world's most stunning pair of shoes, the best pair of shoes on earth. Like, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys these shoes. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Liana. I post new videos every single week. Go watch some other videos so you can get a little bit more familiar with me and we can get better well acquainted. You're gonna like it here anyway, so smash that subscribe button right there. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Listen, I've been looking for these shoes. Let me take that back. I haven't been looking for these shoes, but I mean, they're very trendy right now and all the girls have them and they just look so sexy. The thing is, I could never justify the price. The price for me has always felt a little bit like, ooh, for a pair of shoes. But listen, I realized it wasn't the price that was getting me. It was just, I just haven't seen the right colorway because I paid full price for these. And I know I preach on this channel, if you pay full price, you're losing. But when I saw these, I could not resist it. Oh my god, I'm so excited to show you guys these shoes. So if you want to see my new Rene Caovilla shoes, keep watching. So to start off, these are the Rene Caovilla Juniper sandals in orange suede and gold metallic snake. Yeah, you heard that right. And these were, I'm gonna hold the price to the last bit because they were pretty pricey. But here are my justifications for the pricing. So let's talk about the box. I don't know the last time I've seen a very well-made shoe box like this. And even still, they have, I'm gonna hide the price, I really don't want you guys to see. They have a picture of the shoe on the box. So if I have all of my boxes like in my closet this way, I can know right off the bat which shoe is in the box. And I love that aspect. And then the box itself is just super high quality. It's giving luxe. Like, I know what I'm paying for with this box. Like, it looks good. It looks like luxury. It smells like luxury. But no, it really is beautiful. And then the red and the gold touch just makes it feel even more luxurious. So they did not skimp out on the packaging like some other brands do. So now let's open her up. The inside of the box is also gold, which I love. Like I said, there was definitely no expense saved with the packaging. They definitely took their time and gave us good packaging, which I love. The paper also says Rene Caovilla on it, printed on it, four-sided. You have a mesh dust bag. The only thing I definitely wish is that it came with 2 dust bags. I'll show you shortly why I feel like it should have came with 2 dust bags, but you only get one, and it is like a picture of the shoe on it. Each shoe did come with this inside of the toe box and wrapped in this little dust bag here. They each had their own individually wrapped little bag just like this. But for the purpose of this video, I already took that out because obviously I already tried on my shoe and all of you see I've already unboxed this. I just wanted to redo it for the camera. You get 2 extra heel taps and you also get a little card. I don't think I ever read what was in here. What is in here? It says Rene Caovilla on this little envelope. I think this is just like a authenticity card. It's like a gold authenticity card. I don't think I've ever had a shoe with an authenticity card, so I guess nice to have. Are you guys ready to see the shoe? Oh my god. Have you guys seen a more sexy shoe? If you've seen a sexier shoe than this, link it down below because you're lying. You're lying. You've never seen a shoe this sexy. Like, what? This, it says orange, but it's giving more of a red, and I want it to give red, but the red, the gold, the little jewel there on the snake head, the silver bottoms, like, we aren't doing red bottoms anymore. We want that silver bottom. This is what we want to see, and we want to see that little heel right there. This is what we want to see. We don't want any more red bottoms. This is what we want. But come on, please, please, you cannot lie. You cannot lie. These are so gorgeous. I'm being so dramatic right now and so animated because listen, when I tell you the price of this shoe, you're gonna be like, okay, I understand the theatrics now. I understand why you're behaving like that. But this really is a gorgeous shoe. These are very gorgeous. I'm gonna try them on for you guys as well. This is about 105 millimeters, so what is that, maybe like a 4.25 inch heel. Surprisingly very comfortable. I cannot wait to take these out and wear them. Me and my boyfriend are going to brunch this weekend. I think I'm gonna put a styling video on my TikTok. So a little shameless plug, go follow my TikTok to see how I style these. But I'm feeling to wear them. I can't wait to bust them out. My sister's also getting married in December, so maybe I'll pull them out for the wedding. Not really sure yet, but listen, I don't know where I'm going to wear these. Like I said, I think I'm gonna wear them to brunch, but either way, these shoes weren't staying on the they weren't staying on the sales floor. I had to buy them. Now, as far as pricing does go, I said these shoes are pretty pricey. I cannot lie. These shoes were $1,520. I know. The thing is, I think my Givenchy boots cost more than this, but those are boots. These are a pair of heels. So the price just feels like, ugh. But listen, they're worth it. These shoes are worth it. I'm not upset with my purchase. I'm very happy. I cannot wait to wear them. I cannot wait to style them. The price, damn, it hurt my bank account, but I feel really happy that I have this shoe in my collection now. I ended up buying these from Neiman Marcus. Also, I got them from Neiman Marcus because they were having 10% cash back on Rakuten. Rakuten is this website that gives you cash back when you shop online. So although I did not get these on sale, I got 10% cash back. So girl math, realistically, I saved $152. So, you know, take that off the back end. Technically, I got them 10% off. See, girl math. You have to justify your purchases sometime, and that is how I justify these shoes. But they're so sexy. I can't wait to wear them. And it's like, I feel like not only, I gotta take them out the box one more time, but not only are they gonna be really sexy for summer, I feel like you can also bring these out fall, just because the colorway just looks so sexy. I'm gonna be wearing these all season long, especially for that price. I need to get my price per wear. But come on, let me bring them closer. Guys, this is such a sexy shoe. Like, that little jewel right there, it's just the details, literally the details of this shoe. And then, like I said, you have that sparkly silver bottom with a picture of the shoe right there. I am in fucking love with this shoe. So, you know, I'm you guys' bad influence friend. If you want the shoe, buy the shoe. And you know, as much as I hate paying full price for things, listen, as I preach in my previous videos, you work hard, you deserve nice things. And if that means it's just this, by all means, get it. Work hard and treat yourself. So I'm so happy to have these. I cannot wait to style them. I cannot wait to wear them. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see them on. Follow me on TikTok if you want to see me style them. But these, if I don't buy another pair of shoes for the rest of the year, I think I'll be quite content. Here I am a few months later. I'm going to be posting another video like, listen guys, I fell in love with another shoe. But no, they're very beautiful. And they're also super comfortable. Shoes like this usually hurt the top of my foot. And I'm not sure why these don't do that. And I'm not complaining because, hello, a comfortable, expensive shoe, I won. I feel like I won in the shoe lottery. But yeah, they're very comfortable. Even though this is like what, like I said, a 4 1/4 inch heel. Very, very comfortable, easy to walk in. And this ankle strap, it makes your foot feel very secure, especially with this one. This one right here, your foot feels secure. You know you're not going to fall out of the shoe. And I think that that is why I like them a lot too. Like, not only is the shoe stunning, they're comfortable, and I feel confident while walking that I'm not going to just like slip out of the shoe. This is really like a perfect shoe. Like, listen, if anybody's going to endorse this shoe from here on out, I am. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this short, quick little video, because I could not show you guys these shoes, because you know, like, I am your luxury bestie. So I had to show you guys these shoes. I'm gonna have them linked down below if you are interested in seeing them as well. Neiman Marcus had a lot of new arrivals, so I think I'm gonna be checking their website too. Like, I don't know if by the time I post this video 10% cashback will still be going on at Rakuten, hopefully, so you guys can save 10% and get your 10% back. But like I said, hope that you love this video, and I'm gonna leave a link to another video here on the screen if you're not tired of seeing my little face here, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.